Now then, I've woke up in a bit of a black mood today. Can't motivate myself, but I've pushed myself to do the front of my house. I'm going to paint it, sand it down and paint it. I don't really want to do it, but every time I come in to my property it annoys me. So now is the time to do it, and then that's another irritation out of my life. Right, I'm going to put my knee pads on and get a scraper of some sort.
I can tell we need to talk about things, so I'll let you start. Yes, I'm listening. Oh, I understand that. You need help with what you say? Oh, that's crazy.
Cool.
That's crazy.
Got to do that. I mean, that's not really in it, to be honest, today. Bodged it, really. Best things I own. Them knee pads. Oh, it's better. Time to sit and relax. Have my sandwich, coleslaw and cheese, and a cappuccino, and I've got a protein yogurt. The past fortnight I have been on intermittent fasting, so I've been eating between 12 and 6 and going 18 hours without food. I have the odd cup of tea or whatever. So it's actually 1:30 now. So I've gone 19 and a half hours. Don't even feel hungry. My stomach's shrinking. I've just put a bit of food on the table for the birds, but I'm going to get out in the garden, do a bit of macro photography, because for the first time in maybe 3 weeks it's not harsh sunlight, it's overcast, so I want to get a few shots, do a bit of practicing. It's too much when it's harsh sunlight. Rubbish. I'm going to use this Sony 90mm lens. Is it? I haven't even finished my dinner and the sun's come out. You couldn't make it up. Harsh light again. Now I'm going to show you my little camo netting, so I can stand with my zoom and get some shots. Or if I'm feeling lazy, sit down on this stool which my old mate Pike got for me. Can't say from where. Now then, I've put my cap on, it's getting a bit hot. Sun's in and out. It's gone in now, but I'm going to do a few little jobs in my garden and then I'll have a bash at the macro photography, but I'm doing an experiment. Why? Because I can. What I'm going to do, I have set up this GoPro to do a time-lapse of this little plant here, which is all withered due to the heat. So I'm going to water it and see if you can visibly see the plant coming back to life in maybe a 30-minute spell, or maybe an hour. I'll just leave it running while I'm pottering about in the garden. A little experiment. So let's water it. I'll give this one a little bit more and then water the rest of them. Just these pots. And also film how long it takes everything to dry out, all the wetness. I like things like that. I don't know why, I always have done. Am I crazy? If I am, who cares? Quite a few bulbs that I bought a while ago have not come through. They're just rotten. Not that many, maybe about 10. Probably bought 100 bulbs, so it's not so bad. Moved a few plants around, like I said. Found a few poppies. I put them in one little area because they go everywhere. Beautiful they are when they come out. I got them off an old lady. She gave me a bag full of seeds. And at the start of the year there's none, and then they come up, they're everywhere. Sometimes you've got 3 feet tall. I was chatting to Mrs. Ermachinsky. She remarked that I'd painted the front of my house, and the green bin man came and he looked in the bin and he towed her off because there was some plastic in. He gave her a telling off. I didn't say oh. I wanted to, but I never. And then she said, "You want to go down to Birmingham? They're not even emptying the bins down there. You're bothered about a bit of plastic." No, I never said oh. I just bit my tongue. Right, let's have a look at that time lapse. It's been going now for over an hour. An hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes. Let's see. I'll insert it if you can see them plants coming back to life.
Because the last time that we talked about this, I felt like I was really clear. I gave you everything that you needed to hear, but you're still asking me for more. No, I'm just trying to understand what you're asking for. Because the only thing that I can't